friction rub, hepatic friction rub, and hepatic bruit. Really, bruit means systolic murmur that is discontinuous, not continuous, but well localized and may be heard here due to, for example, AV malformation or hepatocellular carcinoma. Friction rub occurs due to perihepatitis here, whether due to inflammation or due to malignancy. After that, one should listen over the left hypochondrium for splenic bruit and for splenic friction rub. Really, splenic bruit here may suggest also AV malformation, and the friction rub may suggest perisplenitis. After that, listen over the umbilicus for venous hum. Venous hum is different from hepatic bruit in that the venous hum is also murmur, systolic murmur, but it is continuous. The origin of it is from the vein rather than from the artery, as in the case of hepatic bruit. Its presence here really suggests the presence of portal hypertension, and the sign here is called Kinnaway sign. After that, listen over the umbilicus for abdominal aortic atherosclerosis for bruit, and also below the umbilicus for the bifurcation of the aorta. You may hear systolic bruit in case of atherosclerosis. After that, 2 to 3 centimeters above and lateral to the umbilicus here, listen for renal artery stenosis with the resultant bruit. After that, listen over the femoral vessel, also for the presence of systolic bruit, which assists in the diagnosis of generalized atherosclerosis. Lastly, in the auscultation of the abdomen, one should really practice what we call the succussion splash. But before that, we have to ask the patient one question and to tell him that we are going to perform such a maneuver. حمادي بس راح اخض البطنة، ماك مشكلة؟ اوكي. ايش قد صار لك من ماكل او شارب مي تقريبا؟ اكثر من 4 ساعات. اوكي. If the period elapsed more than 4 hours, any succussion splash here is significant, while less than this period of about 2 hours or less than 2 hours, less than 4 hours is less significant. First of all, I should practice the succussion splash without a stethoscope in such a manner. I'll just quickly and rhythmically shake the chest and listen for any succussion splash, and then I should listen via the stethoscope by shaking also the chest of the patient. If there is any succussion splash really mimicking the sounds obtained when a bottle is filled into its half amount with water and then shake. The sound is similar to that. Once you finish the auscultation of the abdomen, you have to get a permission